They'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending.
Don't stay awake for
Too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
They'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah,
And
hey.
don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. They'll get you up and going
Hey.
out of bed.
Yeah.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corner of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared. Yes, I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can't quit you, cause baby you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the last of snow disappears. Love you till the rainy day becomes clear. Never knew a love like this, I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. The way you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit the notes in every song you shine in. I love the little things like when you're unaware. I catch you steal a glance and smile so perfectly. Though sometimes when life brings me down, you are the cure, my love. In a bad rainy day, you take all the worries away. Oh, love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can't leave you, cause baby you're the one. I don't know how in the world before it all fly, you bring color. In your eyes I see the light, my future. Always and forever, I know I can't let you go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. Oh, I'm in love with you, and now you know.
Oke, jadi ini dia hasilnya. Aku cat rambut pakai new yang blue black, super bagus. Aku suka banget, sesuai sama ekspektasi aku. Gelapnya juga aku suka, lembut. Dan satu lagi yang paling aku suka, dia tuh nggak bau amonia gitu guys, karena dia memang bebas amonia kan, jadi dia kayak wangi buahan kayak gitu. Super recommended deh kalau kalian pengen coba. Tuh, dan dia gampang banget di aplikasinya, jadi warnanya nggak belang-belang kayak gitu, rata. Dan ini aku udah keramas 2 kali pakai shampoo dan udah dicatok juga, tapi warna tetap tahan. Dan untuk vitamin rambutnya jujur aku suka banget, soalnya dia wangi dan bikin rambut lembab, nggak kayak yang vitamin abal-abal gitu karena gratisan. Dan aku pokoknya recommended banget buat kalian yang lagi nyari cat rambut. Selain harganya cuma 11.000, menurut aku ini lebih worth it daripada cat rambut yang kotakan kayak gitu guys, karena warnanya benar-benar tahan dan long lasting banget. Paling aku udah keramas 2 kali. Biasanya aku kalau udah keramas dan nyatok pasti tuh warnanya bakal ada yang jatuh, tapi ini enggak, masih sebagus itu.